In today's video, I'll show you how to reset Google Chrome back to its default settings. So let's begin. First, open Google Chrome and click on the three dots menu in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, click on Settings. Once the Settings page opens, you'll see a list of options on the left side. Look for the Reset Settings option and click on it. Here, find the option that says Restore Settings to their original defaults and select it. After clicking on Restore Settings to their original defaults, a confirmation window will appear. This window shows a short summary of what will be reset. If you're sure you want to continue, click on the Reset Settings button. Chrome will then start resetting the browser back to its default settings. And that's it. You've successfully reset Google Chrome to its default state. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give the video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos.